We're assembling a bike here, and we're putting the seat and seat post together, and rather than work underneath the thing, we're going to show you a little shortcut that I like. We're going to put this here, and we're going to slide it back and forth to the middle of the rails, because we don't know where the customer really wants it. But then the angle, we got to set the angle right. We're going to do that with the cell phone app. That's a level. So we come up to the bike, 20 degrees. This is sloped back 20, so it must be a 70-degree seat tube. Let's see that this is the extension, and we want that the same here. We come up here, and we are not at our 20. So we're going to manipulate the bolts. In this case, I need to come this way. I'm going to loosen the back one, and we're going to tighten the front one. And we're going to go back and forth until we think we have our seat tube angle. 19, very, very close. Half a turn, half a turn. 20 on the money. Ready for security here. Back and forth to maintain the angle. And it's just nice to work over the bench. "20." Lubrication in the frame. Ready to go. On the level, Calvin Jones with Park Tool.